Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you can see, I'm taking out my braids and I'm gonna wash and blow dry before my hair appointment today. And y'all, I 100% don't recommend taking your braids out the day of because I was stressing, y'all. Like, I was stressing.
Hey y'all, it's about 1:41 right now. Appointment's at 1:45 to get the blowout and wash. I just felt like I'm on a time limit, so I just want a really good wash, a really good blow dry, because when I go to this hairstylist, I don't want her playing with no type time. I want her saying, oh, this hair dirty, this hair not fully blow dry. No ma'am, no ma'am, this hair will be blown dry, no oils, no nothings. This is the life of a real ass YouTuber, like black girl struggling, fighting for her life, like everyday type shit. I always do stuff last minute.
Y'all, this is so ghetto. This is how I left the salon, washed and blow dry. So I ended up going home and blow drying my hair myself. And y'all, I blame myself because I was in such a rush. I ended up going to a white salon thinking they could blow dry my 4C hair. I was so excited to get my hair done, y'all, because as y'all could see, I was looking rough. But I was definitely excited to book with this girl because she be laying her wigs flat and her lace be melted. I've been trying to book with her for a couple of months now, but she's always booked. And my camera ended up dying, so I didn't get a full video of the full install. But I am gonna put her page and just show you guys all the installs she does, and y'all should definitely book with her. After my hair appointment, I went to my lip fillers appointment, which I was a little nervous but very excited for. As you can see, she's putting the numbing cream on just to numb my lips. With the numbing cream, this whole process was painless. If you did it without the numbing cream, you're gonna feel the pinches, which sometimes could hurt. Y'all, she is so nice. She is so sweet. I come to her all the time. She is very professional and she knows what she's doing. She also does body contouring, so I'm going to put her page right here.
Hey guys, so this is the results. So my lips are really swollen right now, but it usually goes down a little bit after a couple of days. I always go to this girl for my touch-up. I've been going to her for a year now. Let's get into the fit real quick. I don't know if you guys could like really see it. Look at the boobs. Stomach is kind of but that's today's fit.
Y'all, this was the morning after. I was scared. I was so surprised at how swollen my lips got. This is perfectly normal and they went down after 2 days.
Oh my God, what is that?
Y'all, beware, the dogs is out and they are looking rough. After my nails, I went to go get my Brazilian wax at European Wax Center. Now we're at the car wash and I'm gonna clean my car today. My car is very messy. I don't know how it got this bad, but it's really messy. So we're just gonna clean everything up and make it look pretty and smell good. This is the fastest car washer I know, and she gets down. She don't play.
Alright, hey y'all, so I just got done washing my car, and when I tell you guys this car wash tore me up so bad, y'all. Like, look at my hair, bunch of flyaways. Like, look at this. Vacuum almost sucked up my hair a couple times. I did not realize how many water bottles, like trash I had in my car, liquor bottles, like, y'all, it was a lot. Right now we're just gonna fix my hair before I go into Target.
It smells so good. The TikTok girlies are definitely putting me on when it comes to this. Like, this is my favorite so far. I love this. So we're gonna try and smell this one. I don't know if you guys could see. Okay, TikTok girlies, y'all are putting me on. I actually love this as well. Hey y'all, so I'm getting these for my car.
So after everything, the total was about $300, and after that I went to go fix my car windshield. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.